Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session of folding some origamis. In this session, we're going to be folding an origami called Menko. So this Menko is basically like a card, a very thick card, and it's actually played like a game. So what they do is, this is just an example. There's another Menko card. So there's a Menko card down there. So you actually like slap the card as hard as you can to the ground, and if this thing flips, then you can get both cards. I'm guessing this is a old traditional game of collecting cards, and because this is just a plain colored card, so it looks plain, of course, but I'm gonna be using this fancy paper, so the design will pop out a bit more. Okay, so this one actually has a very interesting fold somewhere in the middle, and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so let's begin. Hey Lydia. Okay, so for this fold, we're gonna divide the paper in thirds, just like how we did in this 9 crane origami, but we're gonna do it in a bit of different way. It's a bit different than this method, but it's kind of similar but a bit different. So as usual, we're gonna start with a yes, I'm gonna start with a triangle fold. As usual, and we're gonna do the same for the other side. Okay, this is a big paper. Okay, so once we've done that, okay, I think it's a bit, I need to put it down a bit. Okay, we're gonna fold this side to basically align this side to the center line. Wait, let me okay, let's align it there. Technically you don't need to fold all the way, we just need the crease right here at the end. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna bring this point to this point. So I'm just gonna align it properly there. Okay, and you're gonna again put a crease right at the top here. Okay, just the top, no need to go all the way. So here is your thirds already. This is not a third, this is your thirds. Okay, so you can use this crease as a guideline by book folding this end to this end. So you just first you align. It's a bit difficult with this big paper, and sorry for the blur. Okay, here you can fold all the way. So you just hold the corners down and just fold all the way down. Okay, and once you've done that, this is already a thirds, so you can now fold from here to here. So okay, align it as close as we can. Okay, and you can fold all the way down, or you can follow both sides. So so you can actually like fold both and then tighten the edges, crimp the edges. So there you have thirds. And if you see this intersection here, this point is also considered a thirds. So you can actually align this point to this point directly. Let me see if I can align it properly. I think in the camera it's a bit hard to see, but I'm looking off camera right now just to align that point together, and then we can book fold the whole thing, and you align from the bottom. So now there's already a third, so now we're gonna align the top line to this line. So just gonna sorry for the blur. Okay, should align there, should align there, and we got our 9 sections of thirds. Okay, yay, happy joy. All right, I'm just gonna do like a final crimping session on all, just so they have a distinct thirds area, and I'm gonna actually do the re-crimp the triangle folds. Okay, so now that we have 9 sections and all the X creases, the next step is we're gonna fold one side. Okay, we're gonna start with my right hand side. I'm gonna fold this way, and by following the crease that we did on the triangle fold, we're gonna fold the whole thing backwards. Okay, the whole excuse me, the whole side backwards. Okay, alright, so you open it up, so you have this V-shaped thing. So now what you're gonna do, I did it from my right hand side. Okay, so you're gonna turn it 90 degrees clockwise, and we're gonna do the same thing. You fold like that, and then fold the corner, the whole corner. Okay, so you open it up, you get the V creases. So again, 90 degrees clockwise, fold a third in, and fold the corners. Okay, and lastly again 90 degrees, the last corner here we need a V crease here. Okay, and then fold. Okay, so what you have now is this paper with a lot of these V creases on each corner. Okay, so here comes the complicated part. We're gonna like twirl the whole paper so it forms like a windmill. Something similar to like what we did with tattoo, but because tattoo we did it one by one, in this case we're gonna do it all at once, so it's a bit, so I'm gonna show you how in slow motion first, and then I'll try to explain it in a, so if you can see, so you can see it already looks like a windmill. So that's how it's supposed to be like. So let me just go over it slowly. So basically we want from, let's say we get from this this side, this corner, we want it to go there. Okay, we want the fold to go like that, and then we then take this side and then we go that side. Okay, and then again we, even though you can't see, is this one, we push it there. And then lastly, if it doesn't fold properly, then we again want that side, just push it there. Okay, so it looks like a very neatly fold triangles here. I'm gonna do it again slowly, because we already did the creases. It actually kind of automatically folds itself. So if you want to do everything one shot, you can imagine you like standing up everything. So here's already a corner, so I'm already doing like a cup here, so you can see it folds automatically on its own. So just gonna do it very slow. Okay, so if you guys can't follow, then okay, let me just do it again slowly. Okay, first off, I'm gonna open it flat. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. We're gonna fold like that. Okay, and then open this up. Okay, we're gonna hold, sorry for the blur, gonna hold that part. Okay, we're gonna just open a gap so that this side can go in. Okay, and then we're gonna close it. Okay, so this part has already become a triangle. Okay, 90 degrees. We're gonna open a bit and just push this corner in. At this point it might be a bit difficult because of this part, but it's okay, just try your best. Okay, so okay, we got our two triangles. Here might be a bit difficult. Okay, so if you can, try to push this there. Okay, so it should done. Alright, so it looks like a windmill, not our windmill. Where's our windmill? Not this windmill. This is a totally different windmill. You know, I don't think this is as aerodynamic, but well, it could be though. It could be, yeah. But we're not doing windmill today. We're doing Menko. Okay, so you're gonna flip it at the back. Okay, so at this part we're almost finished. We're just gonna tuck all the triangles to the middle. So we just fold it like that. Okay, and then 90 degrees, just fold. Okay, 90 degrees, just fold. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay, here you can fold, but ideally, wait a minute, am I doing this right? No, I'm not doing it right. Oh, okay, I'm doing it wrong. Sorry, my bad. It's not from here 90 degrees here. It should be 90 degrees here and then counterclockwise 90 degrees. And you fold. You want to cover the edge of the triangle, because now when you fold it, then the edge is covered. Just now I did was a reverse. I was covering this edge, not the outer edge. So you can see this outer edge is still visible. So we want to cover this outer edge with another triangle. Okay, so that's okay. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Okay, 90 degrees. Make sure you cover this back. Okay, then 90 degrees. Okay, it's covered, but if you just let go, then everything will pop back. So we want to cover this edge and go underneath here. Alright, so we go underneath and there we go. That is your card, Menko card, and it does feel thick and solid. It's a very solid fold because of this interlocked triangles, so it won't like spread out. Like here you can see it can be easily spread out, but here it's like it's a solid paper. And this is, I don't know if you can flip it. Want to okay, maybe I have to really like farm. But if you make it a bigger one, maybe this is big enough. Maybe I can put like a small cup of tea, or maybe Carlo, you know, so Carlo can rest. So this can also become like a coaster if you have a better paper, or maybe like those waterproof paper. I'm not sure. It's like if you have a stronger type of paper or flexible plastic, then yeah, you can actually do this. It's actually pretty neat. It's like a it's like a wallet, but it's not. Well, technically it can act. Can it act like a wallet? No, the gap is too small. But it looks pretty neat, especially with the pattern. So you can see the pattern is different. Yeah, it's good that I made it in this with this pattern paper, because here it looks a bit plain, but it still looks neat. This is actually quite a neat origami. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yes, so that's how you fold a Menko. It's a bit difficult, especially the part where we need to twist everything in one shot. But after that, yeah, if you fold the creases properly, then it should automatically fold itself to the center. So yes, that's it for this session. Thank you for watching. So the next session we're gonna do is let me check. Oh, we're gonna do a chopstick duck. So basically it's like if you have those chops, we're not actually gonna do like a duck out of chopsticks, okay? the wrapper that comes with chopsticks, you know. So you know that sorry Carlo, that where blur. Okay, sorry. Where you know the wrapper that wraps the chopstick, so you take out the chopstick and you left the wrapper, so you can use that wrapper to do a duck origami. So that'll be interesting. So just look forward to it in the next session. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a good night, a good day, and bye bye.